Here I have SONY Xperia XZ2, and today I'm going to show you how to change slow motion speed on this device. So first let's open camera, switch to the slow motion mode, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here in the slow motion mode you can select slow motion mode, like you have super slow motion, super slow, or just slow motion, and like you have different speeds of this device on each of these options. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.